What's up, everybody? We are back with another disc review. Today we'll be looking at the Innova Valkyrie. The Valkyrie has flight numbers of 9, 4, -2, 2. And it's a great disc for a beginner to pick up, especially if you're finally looking for something that's a little more stable. If you've been working with some of the discs we've recommended in the past, and then maybe turning over too much and not getting exactly what you're wanting out of them. When you use this, you kind of expect it to go out straight and finish left, especially when you get it brand new if you have a lower arm speed. So I'm really excited to see how it flies and see how it compares to what we've thrown in the past. The expectation again is on Hyzer, I'm expecting a long pushing Hyzer, stays on Hyzer the whole way, fades out left. Flat, I want it to push straight for a while, never really flip over for my arm speed, and then finish out left. And then on Anhyzer, I'm kind of hoping ultimately for it to push on Anhyzer, maybe get a little bit of turn, and then finish relatively straight from that point that I aimed it at. I'm excited to see how it goes, and let's get out in the field and throw. All right, so that stayed. For my arm speed, honestly, with that Valkyrie, it felt pretty overstable from the jump for a Valkyrie, and with that said, it kind of just glided on out there and was stayed on Hyzer the whole time, so that's not a bad deal. Kind of what I expected. Okay, that is exactly what I was wanting and kind of hoping to do. If anything, I put it on this the tiniest Hyzer angle there, but I would say that was pretty flat, especially for my consistency. I think that's kind of what I was looking for. You can see it finished strong to the left. You're coming up on, say, a 315-foot hole with a dog leg to the left. You could really put it out there flat, right down the center of the fairway, and know that you're going to finish left if you have a similar arm speed where you're maxing out around 330, 345. Yeah, I mean, put that out with a good amount of ante, not a ridiculous amount, and actually with that stability and that disc, it really just held it straight for a long time. Overall, I think that finished about 10, 15 feet off my line. So that's exactly what you're looking for if you want a dead straight shot with that sort of disc. Again, I wouldn't typically throw that on ante unless I really needed something to stay straight. That's not a disc for my arm speed, which is a little bit lower, that I'd want to just crush out there and think that it's going to keep going right. Basically for me, that's going to come out left every time. So okay guys, quick break in the action. A little self-promotion here, but if you're enjoying these videos, we'd love for you to subscribe. Definitely would love for you to share it with your friends. We're a really small channel, but we're enjoying doing this a lot, and we'd love to continue to do it. And any support you guys can give would be much appreciated. We truly believe that we offer a unique perspective that's needed in the disc review space, between showing the beginner arm speed and the intermediate to advanced arm speed, using the drone to show the flight path. It's just something that we really feel like fills a void in the disc golf review space. And we hope you guys enjoy it as much as we enjoy making them. And if you do, yeah, subscribe, like, share with your friends. Let's get back into the disc review video. That's a wrap for the Innova Valkyrie disc review from a beginner arm speed. And honestly, for a beginner's arm speed, that did exactly what I was anticipating it to do, which is fantastic. On Hyzer, it pushed out on Hyzer for about 300 feet, stayed on Hyzer the entire way. A reliable finish to the left about 20, 30 feet off my line, which is what you expect on Hyzer. And then on flat, it rode really straight for a long time, probably got another 30 feet of distance on it, and finished left, but not super far left. And I was not really worried about it when I threw it flat that it wasn't going to come, that it was going to turn and burn out. It was actually exactly what I was wanting it to do. And then I put it on ante, and that turned just a tiny bit, and then actually finished about dead straight from where I was aiming. And honestly, if I could describe this disc in one word, I would say reliable. And that's not exactly what you can say with a lot of the other discs that we've recommended in the past, just because they have been understable, and they are reliable in some ways for an understable disc. But the Valkyrie truly did exactly what I expected it to do. And that's a great feeling when you're on the course and you really have an understanding of, I'm going to aim it here and I can expect it to finish here, and not worry about having a real shank or anything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and next week tune in, we'll have the advanced arm speed which should offer a very different perspective. If you have a faster arm speed, you can expect a little more turn, of course, and so hope you guys look forward to that and get to enjoy that next week. So have a good one.